How to use to do it as a daily planner using today's view. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use to do it as a daily planner for um a daily planner using today's view. So using today's view as a daily planner is an effective way to organize your tasks and ensure you are focusing on what needs to be done today. And here is how you can do it. Okay. Now the first step is to log in into your to do account daily and then review your tasks daily. All right, so you should start each morning of yours by reviewing all tasks due for the day across your projects in the today's view. One thing about to do it is that whenever you had a task and you make the task a particular date, for example, 23rd of March. By the time it's on 23rd of March, if the tax is under your own project, the tax would move automatically to today's project, such that you can see all of the tax that are due for today under it. Okay? The same thing applies to whichever dates you fix your tax. It will move automatically from that project to your today. So whenever you come online and you click on whenever you come on your account and you click on today, you'll see all of your taxes that are due for today. So start your day by reviewing those taxes daily. Then you can prioritize your tax. All right, yes, even if they are in today's view, you still need to prioritize them. How can you do this by selecting them one after the other? For example, there's this task as you can see which says create your first team project. So if this is very important, all I need to do is to click on the more option icon, click on edit, and then add a priority to the task, all right? Then I can change it from 2 to 1 if it's very urgent. If not, I can put it on 3, click on save. And like this, it would help my daily planning. Then you can also reschedule if needed. Okay, if your today's view is too crowded, that is, you have so many tasks due for the day, you can reschedule less critical tasks for later in the week to keep your day focused and manageable. All right, because if it's too much, you might not be able to meet up with all of the deadlines. Then you can use drag and drop. All right, you can drag tasks to the bottom of the day or postpone them for tomorrow. For example, if this is not an important task, I could just move it and drag it to the lower part of the day, or I can just drop it to postpone to tomorrow. As you can see, whichever one that I want to do, just to help my productivity for the day. And then you can also end your day at to do it 0. Okay, you can reschedule any leftover tasks to avoid them snowballing into the next day. You can just reschedule them to another day, maybe on 25th, 27th as day. And then regularly check your today's view after completing your tasks to decide what to do next. Always check your today's view. Always ensure this view is not far from you. So this is basically how to go about it. This is how you can use to do it as a daily planner using today's view. Thanks for watching and I'm sure you have a good day.